Right, let's have a go at 6B on the calculator, the GDC. So hopefully you've got the values in front of you from the previous video. There's two common methods to do this. I'm going to use a graph to start with. I like graphs. We've got linked functions. So we know that 2p is equal to the present value times by the rate, but then it's the next line. Okay, so my first function that I'm going to input is, brackets 1 plus, let's do 5.5 over 400, and I'm going to raise that to the power of 4x. Okay, n changes to x in this context. Hit enter, boom, we're sorted. Next tab, we want to know where that crosses our second function 2, and obviously that's over our grid, so we're going to go menu, window zoom, and change the settings. Let's start at 0. We already know that the answer is 13, 12, 13, so let's pick 20, enter, and we're looking for this point here. So if we do menu, analyze graph, intersection, choose a point left and a point right, we get the value of 12.7 is when it's doubled, so that happens in the 12th year, so that's going to be 12 add 2020 to give us 2032. We could use a financial solver, so menu, finance, and finance solver, n, number of payments. That's what we're going to have to work back from. The interest rate, we know that the interest is 5.5. We know that the present value, let's call it 1. 1 goes in. The final value, well, we want double that out. Remember on the GDC, with a finance solver, we have to have a negative payment value, or, a final value of negative, because the money's been paid out. We have 1 payment per year, and that's at the end. No, it's not. It's 4 payments per year. It's compounded quarterly. Sorry, my bad. Compounds per year is the same, and we'll have a payment at the end of the year. If we want to know what the number of payments is, we hit n. Now, we're okay, but this is obviously 4 payments per year. So we're going to have to use that value and divide by 4. So if I copy that, we can go in here, paste it, divide it by 4, and then we get our 12.7, which we add on to the 2020, we get our value of 2032.